to Ty Letran, who is at 5-3. Third quarter officially underway. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. At Ton Ross working alongside Cristiana Di Maunahan. And of course, at courtside, we have Bianca Alejandre. Barba. Villegas to Montaño. That's an air ball.
Could have had a better shot option for the first possession in the second half. Para rin maganda yung spark din. No? Unang possession pa lang, okay na yung ginawa mong tira.
Pagaran. Pizarro. Pizarro fade away. And Aviles comes up with a board. Foul on the floor as Montaño made his way to the basket.
Holding well on number 20, Eman Pizarro's third first team foul. 18 seconds to shoot.
Key players like Pizarro need to be more careful in giving up fouls. Third foul niya na yan and just two more. Gagraduate na siya. So, kailangan siya ng perpetual altas. So, really, what I've been saying since the get-go, kailangan mas maging maingat ang perpetual sa ganung mga defense.
Aviles, nowhere to go. Barba, too strong off the glass. Montaño. And Goho Cruz comes up with a rebound. Orgo, mid-range. No good. Abis offensive rebound. Abis signature shot. Let's get an update at courtside now with Bianca Alejandre.
As the Piratas are put in a tough spot, they trust that what counts in the court is how they will finish this game. Ayon pa kay Coach Gilbert Malabanan, despite our run-and-gun style, we must always focus on our defense. Former LPU coach Tobex Robinson agrees, saying we may not have our top scorers, but we always have our defense and we got nothing to lose. With every step and each ounce of effort, we shall see in the coming minutes if they are poised as quintessential Piratas that confront hurdles head-on. Over to you, Anton and Cristiana.
That's great insight from the dugout. So, Coach Tobex Robinson giving a little bit of advice. Their former coach.
Ayun na nga, long-range 3 pa rin. Yung kay John Barba, uncontested. Tama ka nga no? Parang hindi siya titire.
Tsaka yung release niya, hindi masyado mataas.
Oo, medyo parang galing sa baba or dip. Unconventional yung yung shooting form niya.
But he is the #1 scorer in the NCAA, Ato Barba. Kaya iba na rin yung scouting report at depensa sa kanya eh.
Yes, kasi sila nakikita natin, nakakadalawang field goal pa lang siya. And parehas yun nasa labas. So what I think is they saw the stats. They saw the stats na 2 out of 10 siya doon sa 3-point shooting. So they're letting him shoot outside. Imbis na dinadala niya yung laro niya sa loob.
Barba. Villegas. Barba. From way out. Almost. Oh, what a pass! And a finish by Villegas. Cunanan. Off of that Villegas assist.
Off of that Villegas assist and offensive rebound. Behind the back pass pa. Alam mo, hirap na hirap akong gawin yun. Nagpapaturo ako lagi kay Coach Aris kung paano ba gagawin yung ganung pasa.
Tsaka yung gawin mo within the play.
Yes. Yung hindi yung nagpapaka-fancy-fancy ka lang. Kaya mo siya ginawa is because you read the defense.
Goho Cruz. Basic. Off the glass. Mid-range. Montaño to Cunanan. And Pagaran rise it up for that rebound.
I'm excited to see more of Goho Cruz this second half. Especially since 2 points lang ang na-score niya nung first half.
Abis with a pull-up.
see na Perpetual is taking advantage of perimeter shots. Doon sila na-open.
Oh, wow. What a move by Villegas.
Basket is good for Renz Villegas.
Si Pagaran, di makapaniwala kung paano nakalusot si Villegas doon.
Grabe yung ano niya, yung arsenal niya sa mga moves, sa mga counter moves niya.
Number 8, Christian Pagaran is first.
Tapos parang may spring pa yung sapatos niya kung paano siya...
TV timeout.
Napaupo si Chris eh. Di pa niya nahuli yun. We have a timeout. TV timeout. Perpetual leads LPU 40-34.
And that's why he is there.
Kaya naman itong EACA, they transfer into a zone.
Manguba drains the triple. Unang punto sa laban natin para kay Lawrence Manguba.
Make the most out of it. Kasi hindi mo alam kung kailan ka ulit gagamitin.
Alright, ngayon naman hanapin natin yung mga magagandang ngiti dyan. Dito sa ating smile cam. There we go.
Anton, dapat tinatapatan ka rin yan. Ganda-ganda ng ngipin mo eh.
Yeah, bring out those nice smiles, shiny white smiles. Five minutes and 51 seconds. That is the time remaining in the third.
Bonus free throw, Renz Villegas.
Grabe yung stat line, Christiana, ni Renz. 5 steals.
Exactly. May mga player na mabilis lang. Pero siya, mabilis na may control, na kaya tumiming sa mga agaw. And kahit padapa na yung tira, nakafocus pa rin sa finish, kaya nasushoot pa rin yung bola.
Orgo. Pagaran. Abis. Wow, so now, Perpetual gets a taste of their own medicine. Sila naman yung tinawagan ng shot clock violation doon.
And same na sa early first quarter nangyari yon. Ngayon, early third quarter, binawian sila ng LPU.
Villegas. Aviles. Daileg. Aviles, wow!
Genesis Aviles.
Wow nga.
A more active Genesis Aviles. Orgo. Goho Cruz steps back for 3. Short.
Ganda sana ng ball fake. Ganda sana ng shot fake niya before that 3-point shot.
JP Boral coming in for Christian Pagaran with 14 seconds to shoot.
Si Aviles, he's stunting veteran moves talaga sa loob ng paint.
MGC for 3. He likes that spot. The left corner.
And that's what you call kumpiyansa at confidence, Anton. Siya yung tumira nung possession before that. Siya ulit yung tumira after the inbound.
Barba. Barba recovers it. Aviles. Daileg. Barba on the move. Ato Barba. Finishing with the left hand.
Ang nakakatuwa dito kay Barba, sobrang simple na lang gumalaw. Kumaka-counter lang siya sa kung anong binibigay sa kanya ng depensa. There's no wasted movement sa kanya.
In the previous game, Barba had a move like that, pero hindi niya na-shoot. Pero sa pagkakataong ito, naipasok na ni Ato Barba yung lefty finish.
Napadapa.
Ito yung tira kanina ni MGC. Favorite spot, the corner. And then, watch this. Number 1 score in the NCAA, the parting of the Red Sea. Ato Barba finishing with the left hand.
Tahimik lang ako pero bilib na bilib ako sa mga ganung layup. Yung mga tumutupi pa yung katawan bago...
Tsaka dumadaan sa dalawang defender na
Yes.
tumalon.
Tumalon tapos tumupi. Tsaka kitang-kita mo, simple lang talaga siya gumalaw. Kinlose out long siya, edi aatake siya.
So it just goes to show that you don't need to be fancy to be the number 1 scorer.
Yes. Luka Doncic. Simple basketball. Just counter the defense.
Marco Cruz.
Moralejo. Barba. Too strong. Coral. Orgo. Orgo steps back. Elzano. Binigay kay Boral. Orgo. Montemayor with time. Elzano offensive rebound. Oh, this is going to be a backcourt violation.
Backcourt violation.
Kudos to LPU for draining the shot clock of Perpetual.
Timeout.
Take another break. Perpetual is up by 6.
This is our league. This is our moment. So puso mo, the sky is the limit. Tara na, magsama-sama.
Alam nyo ba na meron ding Kapuso Stars ang nag-aral sa NCAA schools? Ilan sa mga ito ay sina Yasser Marta na naging team B ng San Sebastian bago lumipat sa LPU. Si Anthony Rosaldo naman ay galing sa Arellano at si Rocco Nasino na naging Mr. Mapua pa. Mga Perpetualites naman sina Kailin Alcantara at Shaira Diaz, habang Tubong St. Benilde sina...
Let's take a look at it from another angle. Lumusot sa depensa. The English dexterity by the number 1 scorer in the NCAA, Ato Barba.
Tapos he has this stoic expression sa mukha niya kahit nagmimintis siya, parang wala lang sa kanya.
He gets a thumbs up from Alta's team manager, Boss Anton Tamayo. Former player as well here in the NCAA. From student athlete to team manager real quick.
Axel Manuel replaces Sean Orgo. 14 seconds to shoot.
Villegas. Barba. Drop pass. What a finish right there by Panelo.
Ang ganda ng execution ng last play na yon. LPU just giving up the ball to the next open man. Finding that drop pass to the very easy and basic basket na nakita natin.
Oh! Villegas breaks Manuel's ankles.
Nakaka-excite din. Nakikita mo, di ba? Na-excite yung mga player pag may nadapa. So, akin na to.
Ano parang all of a sudden it's a TikTok opportunity.
Saan ka punta? Yun yung sound na lagi ko nakikita sa mga ganun eh.
Ganda ng drop pass ni Ato.
That's just making basketball simple and easy. Get the ball to the open guy.
19 seconds to shoot.
Moralejo catching the defense, snapping. Touchdown.
Neil Moralejo from Jonathan Dailig.
Good recognition from Daileg na nakita niya yung nauna ng tumakbo si Moralejo. Kasi tinignan niya pa muna si Villegas eh.
Montemayor. Boral. Couldn't bounce it off the body of Villegas.
Could have been another fast break opportunity and score from the LPU Pirates.
Sean Orgo comes in.
What a pass right here. Moralejo with the finish.
21 seconds on the shot clock.
Villegas. Panelo could not complete the eye in the sky play.
Ganda sana ng alley-oop opportunity na yun.
Borat. Elsano. Orgo.
That was almost another turnover doon sa pasa ni Boral na straight sa kamay ng LPU.
Holding foul on number 11. Ken Kaduyak, his third foul, third team foul.
Yung kuya pala ni Ken Kaduyak na dating player nandito, si Raymar Kaduyak. Standing in the corner. So a lot of former
14 seconds to shoot.
important pieces of LPU.
Yeah.
We're here today. Kanina, nandyan si Coach Topex Robinson.
So they've got lots of sources of inspiration for today's game.
Oh. Wrong target.
Ano kayang tumatakbo sa isip ni Coach Olsen sa ganong mga turnover?
Daileg pulling up. And Helsano comes up with the rebound. Helsano, high-low play. Nunez! Kulang sa power. Interception by Helsano. Orgo. Montemayor to Orgo. Orgo, high drive. Nunez.
Way to give the Perpetual Altas 3 chances on that possession.
Julian coming in for Renz Villegas. There's a challenge by LPU Pirates on the last out-of-bounds play.
So there's a challenge here on that last out-of-bounds play.
Challenge of LPU Pirates was unsuccessful.
So unsuccessful challenge.
Yes, it was a swipe from an LPU player that got the ball out.
11 seconds to shoot.
.32.9. Time remaining here in the third. Borat. Orgo has to shoot. Sean Orgo. Straight away.
Same spot na kung saan siya nag-miss kanina, but this time he made it. And it was a wide open, good look for him.
No good on that shot.
Good challenge.
At the end of
So there was an opportunity there for Kulanay to get on the board, but he missed. So Perpetual will head into this fourth and final quarter with a 48-43 advantage.